is my nation. Manik's house is my dream destination. To finish study and have a good work is one of my ambition. Ate Merfet is my inspiration. Being a fangirl is one of my passion. Protecting my favorite love team is one of my mission. To love and stand them is my big decision. But seeing them is just my imagination.